If I had to start learning data analysis today with no experience, no connection, just my laptop, this is exactly what I'm going to do. And honestly, so many people have wasted months learning things that are unnecessary. I'm going to show you a simple practical roadmap, no fluff, no unnecessary tools, just what works. So that by the end of this video, you'll be able to know exactly what to learn and the order to learn them and start seeing results immediately. So now, let's say you have a small business, you sell clothes online, orders are coming in, and you really don't know the top selling products, the top purchasing customers, and like why profits kind of seem random. This is exactly where data analysis comes in. Now, here is the mistake that so many beginners make. They jump straight into Python and start learning everything. Don't do that. First, understand data. Understand the structure of data, the difference between structured data, unstructured data, structured data like data in tables, unstructured data like text, video, etc. Differentiate between numerical data and categorical data is very, very important because this is going to form a solid foundation in your knowledge. Also, you need to understand how data moves from where it is collected to where it is analyzed. This is just your basic data pipeline. No need to deep dive. Next, go straight to Excel. This is where you start working with real data. Learn how to clean messy data, organize it, and exploit. Then start creating simple charts. This is where you start having a visual image of what is actually going on with your data sets. Immediately you understand this, go to Power BI. This is where you start looking professional. Take notes, nothing complex here. Just create, take your data, turn your data into simple dashboard that anyone can understand. The basic idea here is simplicity and your ability to convey your insights. Just be as simple and straightforward as you can. Then go to SQL. SQL is behind the storage of most of the big companies. So most of the big companies they store their data in databases, and SQL gives them the security, the optimization in their data set. So you need to understand how data is stored in SQL and also understand how to query the database, something like the top selling products, the top purchasing customers, the time that most of the purchase is being made. Just understand these things and how to write and optimize SQL query. Immediately you are done with this, then go straight to Python. Now take notes. This is where the common ground that a lot of beginners make mistake. Don't go and learn everything about Python, like all the libraries, deep dive into coding with Python. No, you need to learn just one thing: automation. This is the idea. Everything that you've been able to do from SQL, Excel, Power BI, that is how to use Excel for basic data analysis and how to use SQL for building simple dashboards and charts and how to use SQL for working with databases. How can you achieve all these things with just one click? That is where Python comes in. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to go deep dive into how to use Excel for data analysis and how to actually start analyzing data immediately. So if this is something that you are serious about and you want to know how to use data analysis to analyze your data, then subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.